Hey everybody, I am super excited today to be one of the first in the world to bring you advanced information on one of the hottest motorcycle safety products on the market today.
This video is sponsored by Cruiseman's Garage Honda Goldwing Maintenance Video Series.
I just got this package in from my friends at Break Free. You already know how passionate I am about the break-free brake light that I wear on my helmet. This is something new, and I want you to be the first to see it. Oh man, the box kind of gives it away, doesn't it? They finally, we have the white break-free model. You're getting a first look at this, and I've got some other very exciting news where you can save some money. Let's open it up. I can't wait to take a look at this. This is just super exciting, because one of the things that I wanted changed about the Break Free was I wanted it to match my helmet, and both of my helmets are white, or actually all of my helmets are white, but the two that I'm wearing most frequently right now are both white. Very nice packaging, as you can imagine. It's got some QR codes here for support materials. Very nice. All their social media information here, so that you can follow them on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, or their support email. Oh, I love it. It's kind of a satin white finish. Very nice. Let me tell you a little bit about this. Oh man, the outside, this perimeter is like that rubbery feel, that soft touch, really luxurious feeling. This is a little more slick, but it's a satin finish. It's not high gloss. It's not fully matte. Like I say, it's more of a satin finish. You still have the port on the bottom for charging, micro USB, and same mounting system for the back. So what's great about this is if you already have a break-free mount installed on your helmet, you just get this and pop it right on there. Now, the box does come with, let me move all this out of the way. Of course, you still get your alignment tool for aligning this for mounting on your helmet. Now, I'm not going to talk about that in this video, but I do have a video that shows how I installed this on my HJC helmet, so I'll put a link to that up in the corner of this video. If you're interested, make sure you check out how to install the break-free mount. Okay, you get the USB to micro USB cable for charging. You get the alcohol prep pad for cleaning your helmet before you attach the mount. And you now get the universal mount along with the extra large or extra thick mount. There were some helmets that had a hard time working with this universal mount, so Break Free developed a larger extra, I think they called the extra large mount. So if you have one of those helmets where it's difficult to install, this might solve or do the trick. And the white model comes with both of these mounts. First of all, it is very nice looking, just like the previous, or I should say the black model is. In fact, I have the black one right here. You can kind of see them side by side. It might be hard to see on this desk. Now, the difference is, the only real visible difference I notice is that on the black model, the lens is slightly more transparent. It looks more red, whereas, and they did mention this in the release, that they've kind of darkened out, blacked out this lens on the white model. Very cool looking, and yet still been able to retain the brightness of the previous, or the black version, I should say. It's got that same nice, soft, kind of a rubber texture around the perimeter. Feels very, I'd say luxurious. Feels very nice. Has a very satisfying feel to it. And kind of a satin finish on the center part here. Let's turn it on. Yeah, you can see it's still very bright. Now those three little flashes, that's to let you know the charge level of the battery. It's I believe that means it's 75% or more charged. So let's take a look around. You still have the same 3 settings where to change settings, you cycle through these settings pressing this button. You can have it always flashing to really get attention when you're riding, or this is the mode I use. And with this mode, the only lights that show up are the center lights, but when you come to a stop, see how that works? When you come to a stop, it lights up the perimeter lights to really get attention. That lets people know, actually it's not even coming to a stop, it's when you're slowing down, because it's got a decelerometer. Now they have updated the electronics in this to a Bosch IMU, and this is an automotive grade technology. Same thing that would be used in cornering ABS and wheelie control on some of the higher end motorcycles. My experience, I've been using this, the black model, for almost 2 years. It's worked flawlessly. It has never, the battery has never died on me. I've ridden probably at least 8 to 10 hours some days, and it remains active. Now, the information I received from Break Free said that they did a lot of testing for UV protection on the plastic, because as you may or may not know, UV rays from the sun are what really deteriorate the plastics on your helmet or on any accessory, even on your motorcycle. So apparently they've done a lot of testing to make sure this has good UV protection so it will last a long time. I just think it's very, very cool looking. I love the looks of it. I can't wait to put it on my helmet. I'll show you what it looks like compared right next to the black on the white helmet. Now, if you have a black helmet, this is fine, or even a dark red or a dark helmet. But if you have a white helmet like I do and like a lot of people do, I think white is probably the safest color of helmet because it's visible. Now, this product is set to launch and start taking orders on the 17th of August, and Break Free is going to be offering a $10 discount for the first 7 days. So I wouldn't wait. Place your order between August 17th and August 24th, 2023. You'll save $10. And if you use promo code Cruiseman when you place your order during checkout, they're going to take off another $10. So that means you're going to save $20 if you order within the first week. Now, if you order after the 24th of August, you can still use the Cruiseman discount to save that $10. Set your alarm for the morning of the 17th, because I have a feeling these things are going to sell like hotcakes. I know that a lot of my viewers have bought the original black version of this, and of course you can still order the black version. Anyway, thanks for joining me today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, because that really does help with our YouTube rankings. Make sure to share this video with your friends. And I want to put all the links in the description of this video where you can place your order. And thanks again for joining me today. And remember what I always say, ride often, but ride safe.